Hello there, welcome to Lab in a Bag. This week we're going to be making some really cool origami figures.
We will be learning how to create potential energy and how to convert it to kinetic energy. So grab your bag, grab a friend, and let's get started.
For week 3, you'll be making some really cool origami figures. With every fold you make with your paper, you're making your paper thicker and thicker. When you fold the thick parts of paper over onto itself, the paper wants to fix itself. When we say fix, it means that the paper wants to try and flatten again, just like it was before you started folding the paper. We will be exploring the concepts of potential and kinetic energy. An example of potential energy is how a rock at the top of a hill has a great potential to fall due to gravity. When the rock is falling, this is called kinetic energy or energy in motion. You can also see this principle in action with a spring. When you push it down, you are storing the potential energy as the spring wants to jump back into place. When the spring jumps, this is called kinetic energy or energy in motion. One of the figures you are making this week is a frog. Every time you make a paper fold, you create a spring on the back of the frog. Once you push down on the back of the frog, you depress the spring where energy is being stored, aka potential energy, and once you let it go, BOING, your frog jumps into the air, which is kinetic energy. Today you will need one sheet of construction paper and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Make a square piece of paper by taking the bottom left corner and folding it up towards the top edge of the paper. Trim the excess paper with some scissors. Step 2. Fold your paper in half by taking the left-hand edge of the paper and lining it up with the right-hand side. Step 3. Take the top right corner and fold down to meet the edge of the left-hand side of the paper. Then unfold. Step 4. Now take the top left-hand corner and fold down to meet the edge of the right-hand side of the paper. Unfold. Step 5. Take the bottom right corner and fold up to meet the edge of the left-hand side of the paper. Unfold. Step 6. Take the bottom left-hand corner and fold up to meet the edge of the right-hand side of the paper. Unfold. You should now have a crisscross pattern on your paper. Step 7. Take the top half of the paper and pinch the sides in and fold down towards the center. You should have a shape that looks like a house. Step 8. Repeat with the bottom half of the paper and pinch the sides in and fold the paper up towards the center. You should now have a square. Step 9. Take the right-hand corner and fold up so the tip is aligned with the top corner. Then fold this section down in half. Repeat with the left-hand corner. Step 10. Repeat with the bottom section. Step 11. Flip over. Take the bottom corner and fold up towards the center. Step 12. Take the left-hand side and fold it in towards the center. Repeat on the right-hand side. Step 13. Fold the entire paper in half, creating a pinch or a mountain. Step 14. Take the bottom half and fold down to create a valley. Step 15. You now have an origami frog. Push down on the back and release. Your frog should jump. Now that you've created your origami frog, here are some additional things you can think about. What are some other examples of potential energy? What do you think would happen if you used thicker paper to create your frog? Thinner paper. Would your frog jump higher or lower? You should also check out the jumping bean. You can scan the code or go to this YouTube link. Wondering what those sticks are in your week 3 pack? Make sure to check out the Hooey stick video on our website. It's time to replant your garden in a glove. You'll find the soil and pottles in your week 3 bag. Don't forget to water regularly. If you need more information, please check out week 1, where there is a video with Amy and Braylon from Wellfield Botanic Gardens who walk through how to replant effectively and have some additional tips and tricks on keeping your plants alive. Can't join us live? No worries. You can check out our videos later on in the week on our YouTube channel or website. Don't forget to post on Flipgrid this week for your chance to enter our awesome prize pool. Please click on the link and don't forget to use the guest password. Thank you to our sponsors, Barletta Boats, the Rex and Alice A. Martin Foundation and Welch Packaging for bringing Lab in a Bag to life. Make sure you keep an eye on your plants for the next week or 2. You should be able to see them germinating in a few days. See you soon.